Yo, what is good, guys? Today we're gonna play Driving Empire. There's a new egg recently, like near the highway. So let's go to that place. So some people have speculate that it's for the classic Roblox event, but I don't think so. It's 50-50 for me, cause it's there's an emoji there. I haven't seen this, but I've seen this in a lot of YouTubers. So I wanted to make a video about it. So let's see. All right, let's turn. Right, let's turn here. If I know it was just right, it's close to here. Yeah, there. So there's the barn. We gotta go there. Recently, there's 3 eggs that I have showed, but I only showed the second one. The other one got removed, and it's moved to this. Yep, here. It's moved to here. So there's the secret egg. So if we look inside, wait. What's next? So some people have speculating that this is for a Lamborghini license, but I don't think so. I might think that this is for like the classic Roblox event, but some others say it's 3 big car brands. Well, Borges said we're not gonna have 3. It shows there 3 cars. So, but the new license car is just Lamborghini. So I'm not kind of sure why they had to I'm not sure why they put it another egg, and it's kind of far away from the map yet. That was like in the highway, like this highway. Wait, let's go to the last spot, like the latest spot. Not that one, but because that was that's the latest one. But I've made a video about this. The last video I made it was like days ago or a week ago. Yeah, if I know. So we recently don't know, and I have no information about this. Of course, I don't have information about this, and a lot of Roblox YouTubers has been recently talking about this. So if we go here, this was the recent spot, like just right here. It was just right here. So I don't know if Voldex is trying to mean something or Borges, so I think this is for really the classic event. There has been leaks also too. So I think this is for the classic event. But there's 3 car emoji, and they said more Lamborghinis are coming. So I don't really know. No, so that's the end of the video, guys. So bye. Comment about what do you think about this. So comment down below what is your opinion about this. So bye.